I've sent more than 15 million cold emails in 2025 for myself and hundreds of my clients, and the number one cold email strategy still to this day is the Loom video cold email pitch. Yes, it was the best strategy 2 years ago. Yes, it was the best strategy last year, and it is still the number one strategy I've ever come across after testing dozens of different things and always trying to outperform it. I just can't seem to outperform it, so instead I'm going to lean into it and show you how to utilize the Loom video pitch to its fullest potential. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write the initial cold email scripts to get people interested, how to make a really good video that gets watched all the way to the end and responded to, and then how to get the call booked on the back end so that you actually book meetings and close deals from cold email. I'm also going to show you a few examples of my client who generated 600 replies this year from a cold email campaign pitching a video, my own campaigns at ListKit that have 200 plus positive replies pitching a video, and a few other examples. So if you're new here, drop a thumbs up. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm going to be much more consistent moving forward. If you're returning, be sure to drop a thumbs up as well. Subscribe if you're new. Let's dive into this video. It's going to be actionable, tons of examples. Get out a Google Doc, follow along. Let's get it. Okay, I'm going to make this as simple as humanly possible for you to write a good Loom video cold email pitch following a two-step framework, so you can't possibly mess this up or get bad results if you just listen to this two-step framework. So step number one, you're going to take your regular pitch, your offer. We can help you book 15 calls per month with an outbound cold email campaign. Okay, cool. You can throw in a case study. We recently helped ListKit add 5K in revenue from the calls we booked for them. Great, right? Regular offer, nothing changing. You're explaining what you do. Here is where you need some nuance and some critical thinking and some sauce to get people to actually say yes to the video. There are dozens of different ways to pitch the video. The most common would be interested in watching a video explaining how our outreach works. Okay, great. That's decent. But what you want to do, this is like, the classic, do you want to see a video explaining how it works? Great, whatever, right? Where it gets really interesting and where you can really captivate attention is when you give context to the video. Would you be open to watching a video going over a cold email strategy I drew up for your business, Client Ascension? I'm just going to put that as a placeholder because it's my business. Would you be open to watching a video going over a cold email strategy I drew up for Client Ascension? Why is this a good? Because I'm not just saying, do you want to see a video explaining how it works? I'm showing you a personalized strategy that I drew up for your specific business. What's another way to go about this? Would you be open to checking out a video going over the exact cold email script that generated ListKit 5K in revenue? Right? I'm giving context to the video. I'm turning the video into a lead magnet where I'm going over a strategy for the business, a case study script, a video of a brochure or a portfolio if you're a creative agency. Like, let's say you're a UGC ad creative business. We can make you 200 UGC ad creatives a month for one flat fee. The creatives we made for ListKit generated them 50K in sales from Meta. Mind if I share a video going over our portfolio of top performing UGC creatives? You see how I'm not just pitching a video to move the conversation along. I'm giving a context to what the video is going to go over. A video going over our portfolio, a video going over our strategy, a video going over a strategy that I came up with for you, right? We're going from base level video pitch to actually introducing some sort of sales asset lead magnet that I'm going to be sharing on the video. The really simple way to get results with a video pitch, make your usual offer. We can help you accomplish X. We can make you 200 UGC creatives a month. Case study, video pitch with context and value. Let's say you want to get a little crazy here and do a Trojan horse pitch. This strategy works very well for anybody that has a front-facing marketing business. What do I mean by this? You're selling ad creatives, web design, email marketing, cold email, LinkedIn outreach, content, anything that you can see as a third-party person, you can use this strategy for. I'll show you what I mean in a second. You cannot use a Trojan horse pitch if you do sales management, CRM work, back-end IT, non-customer facing things. Why is this important? Because with the Trojan horse pitch, I say something like, I was checking out your website and noticed a few things that are likely hurting your conversions. Recorded a quick video breaking down the causes and how to fix them. Mind if I share it here? Okay, how is this a Trojan horse? Because basically getting my foot in the door by saying, hey, I was checking out your website. I saw a few things that are hurting your conversions. I recorded a video breaking down the causes and how to fix them. Mind if I send it to you here, right? You can't do this if you're selling an IT offer or a sales management offer because there's nothing you can observe on the front end of a business to make a pitch like this. Here's another example. I opted into your email list and noticed a few things with your welcome email that are likely hurting your conversions. I recorded a quick video breaking down the causes and how to fix them. Mind if I share the video here? Okay. Once again, I'm observing a front-facing asset of a business, a website, an email list, a Facebook ad, a social media post, a LinkedIn profile, and I'm offering a video that critiques the front-facing asset so I can get them to say yes. Then, once the person says yes, I actually go and do the thing that I'm saying in the email. I'm not doing this for every single person in my list. I'm doing this for people that answer me positively and want more information. Hopefully that makes sense. Once somebody says yes, I will go analyze their website and find a few things that are hurting their conversions, or record a quick video breaking down the causes of what's wrong with their website. So that's the Trojan horse pitch. This is the regular video pitch. If you have any sort of asset like a portfolio or case studies or a brochure, taking that tangible asset and saying, hey, mind if I share a video going over XYZ asset? That is how you produce incredible results over cold email. And I'll show you in later examples why that's the case. I'm getting ahead of myself. So follow-ups, because you're like, Christian, I only wrote one email. How do I write follow-ups? Here you go. Ready? Literally, you're going to laugh. Say this is your email 1. How do you follow up with that in email 2? You take the same script and you copy and paste it. And then you're probably saying, why would I say the same thing over and over again? That seems inefficient. That seems lazy. Look at a billboard or watch a commercial or see a paid ad. It's the same thing over and over again until it resonates in your head and you take action and click on it or fill out a form or book a call. The same thing is true with cold email. In your follow-up, yes, you can make a little bit of variance here and say, hey, we can make you 200 UGC creatives per month, just like we've done for 100 other SaaS companies. ListKit generated 50K in sales from Meta with the creatives we made for them last month. Mind if I share a video going over our portfolio or going over a UGC idea I had in mind for company name? Okay, so how do I follow up with this email? How do I do a third email? I mean, I'm running out of ideas here. What do I do? Okay, literally repurpose how you're pitching the video. I recorded a video explaining how we can make 200 UGC creatives for you per month, just like we've done for ListKit and Client Ascension. Mind if I shared the video here? You don't need to say too much in your cold emails to get someone to say yes. You just say what your offer is. Do you have a case study? Do you have a guarantee? Slap it in an email, pitch the video. That's it. That's literally all you have to do. Repeat that 3 times in a sequence. There is your scripting sequence. Done. Okay, great. Someone says yes to your video. Now what do you do? Okay, I don't know how to get on video and get people interested, Christian. What do I do? Here's what you do. Always, 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 always start on their website first. No matter what your offer is, no matter what you're selling, I want you to start on their website first so that when you get the yes and you're making the video, they can see on the thumbnail of the Loom video, it is their website, it is your face, it's on their website. This is not a templated video or an automated video. Okay, here's what a sample video would look like if I'm selling web design for ListKit. I designed this entire website, so I'm about to roast my own website, which hurts a little bit, but I'm going to do it for the sake of the video. Okay, great. 3, 2, 1. Hey, Christian, thank you so much for taking the time to answer my email. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 quick things that you can improve with your website to generate more leads and revenue for ListKit. First of all, there's no pop-up on the screen to collect emails. If I click on get 100 free leads, I am directed to a sign up, but ideally there's some lead magnet or pop-up on the front of the homepage that collects more emails for me. That's the first thing I would roll out with a lead magnet that I can design for you fully. The second thing is there's no VSL or video demo anywhere on the page. If I'm a new user and I want to poke around a little bit, ideally, I can see a video explaining how the platform works. That is what I would also look into changing right away. And the third thing is the book a demo button's only in the top right. This would get dozens more calls booked if this book a demo button was also present down here. If either of these 3 things are valuable to you, I would love to hop on a quick call so I can show you how I can completely redesign your website and guarantee you a 15% uplift in conversions with free trial signups. Let me know how tomorrow or Thursday works for a call. It's Tuesday right now at 2 p.m. Eastern, so we can discuss a custom website for ListKit. Video done, right? What do you need to take away from what I just showed you? Number 1, I didn't waste any time. I said, hey, Christian, thanks for answering my email. Here are 3 things you can implement with your website. I didn't introduce myself. I didn't show off my fancy awards. All I did was say, hey, thanks for answering. Here are the 3 things that you can implement to start getting more conversions. Then I did thing 1, thing 2, and thing 3, just as I outlined in the beginning. I didn't make any false promises. I actually gave away 3 pieces of value. And then at the end, I didn't go through any of my case studies. I didn't do anything crazy. I just said, how does tomorrow or Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern work for a call so we can go over this this for your business. I didn't say, do you want to hop on a call? Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk soon. No, I'm saying, how does tomorrow or Thursday work for a call? I'm giving them the option of which day, not a yes or no, not see you soon. It's which day can we hop on a call? Here's a good time that works for me, or choose a time from the link below this video in my calendar, right? That is how you record a really well done, high converting video pitch that actually gets people interested in learning more from you and hopping on the phone. Now, what happens when the Loom is actually filmed? Here's how you send it over email to get people on the phone, because you could make the best video of all time, but if nobody's going to see it, there's really no point in filming it. Here's a video that I made a few months ago for a prospect. So when you actually share the video over email, you're not going to copy the link. You're going to embed the GIF thumbnail into an email. So I'll show you this. So I'm going to send this to my other email account. Conversation that you're already going back and forth with the prospect in. So RE, whatever subject line you use in the cold email. Hey Christian, here's the custom web design audit I filmed for List Kit. Just click the thumbnail below to view the video. Yes, you want to specify that because some people will not know to click on the thumbnail. Then you'll notice at the 1 minute 30-second mark, I went over a pop-up strategy that can get you more opt-ins. And at the 4:30 mark, I pointed out a video strategy that'll greatly improve your conversions on the homepage. Embed the video. I would obviously change the name, Web Audits for Christian, not Christina, that's not my name. So there's the video, all set to go. How does tomorrow or Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern work for a quick call so we can walk through these website changes in more detail? If it's easier, feel free to grab time on my calendar here, and my calendar will be linked on the word here. This is all good to go. Send it over, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get a video filmed and sent over to the prospect so they can book a call with you. Now, what do you do for follow-ups? They're not answering. I'm getting ghosted. Aside from connecting with them on LinkedIn, following them on social media, calling them on the number in their signature, you can also get pretty creative with your follow-ups. If they don't answer after a few days, I would go in and say, noticed you had a chance to view the video. If I can guarantee you a 15% lift in web conversions, or you don't pay, would that be worth a call? Let me know how tomorrow or Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern works on your end. I don't like to say, notice you had a chance to view the video for too long. I'll do that for one follow-up, and then I'll kind of get creative and pattern interrupting to get them answering, to respond. Follow-up number 2, after the video has been sent. The website we just launched for Client Ascension has improved their conversions by 25%. You sure this isn't a priority for List Kit? At the very least, you'll walk away from the call with 3 things you can go change to your existing site right away. And this is obviously for a web design offer. If you want to use these templates for your own services, switch it up to match your own offer, obviously. Then I'll go into some, crazy stuff like, Christian, why are you ducking me? Like funny, humorous follow-ups that are going to get people to answer. I'll insert a little detective emoji, the classic, right? Start going crazy. I'm so confident we can improve your website conversions. I'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card just for taking the call with me. Mind if I send a calendar invite, right? So literally, get creative, put your money where your mouth is, make bold offers, get people on the phone, and I guarantee you this will start to work if your video is actually good. Let's finish up with some examples and how you can work with me to actually help you do this for your business. Okay, the best example I've ever seen for a Loom video pitch, the golden goose of all campaigns that honestly I've ever seen, is my client who sells custom merchandise. They've generated 607 positive replies over the span of 12 months, 13 months, and the campaign has never slowed down one time. And one angle has 332 positive responses. So let's go check it out to prove to you that the Loom video pitch is a game changer that works at scale insanely well. Here it is. Hey Lisa, we can create branded apparel for your company from top brands like Peter Millar, Patagonia, and Travis Matthew. Offer, like I just showed you in the example, you'll reduce your apparel cost by 20%. In fact, we guarantee you'll reduce your unit product costs or else you don't have to pay us. Guarantee. So offer guarantee. Mind if I share a video going over our apparel catalog video pitch? Offer guarantee video pitch, the exact framework that I outlined in the Google Doc, and it's getting responses that look a little something like this. Let's just go through the couple of replies in the inbox. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4 replies today. Can you send me a catalog? Thanks. How does it work? Can I order a shirt and just pay individually? Yes, please send it. Yes, please. Please send me the catalog to my email. Please send catalog. Sure, thanks. Yes, please, thanks. I'm hoping to get a price for this type of pullover with the logo on it. Sure, send it over. I'll take a look. Sounds great. What's the minimum order? Give it a shot. Share your catalog. Send me more info. 6 600 replies that look like this over the past year from my client using a video pitch. If you're still doubting this strategy, I don't know what else to tell you because it works like such a charm. I honestly don't even believe it. Now, I did this same framework for a list kit campaign that we're running targeting web design companies selling our done-for-you cold email setup. 19,000 leads contacted, 75 unique replies, with 23 of them coming from email 1D and both of email 2s with a lot of the responses. What is the email? Saw you're in charge at company name. We can get you 12 new leads a month, interested in a new website build, all from cold email. Mind if I share a video going over a strategy that got my client 11 leads in 1 month? A contextual-based video pitch. I'm sharing a strategy that got my client 11 leads. Email 2. I recorded a video going over a cold email strategy that can bring you 10 and 12 new web design leads a month. Our client got 11 leads last month using this strategy to pitch local businesses. Mind if I share the video here? The other variant, we can deliver you 10 to 12 new prospects interested in a new website build. Our client in Dallas got 11 new leads from a cold email campaign, blah, blah, blah. Do you want to see a video breaking down our strategy? So it's literally cut and paste from email 1 to email 2 with a case study thrown in there. This is proof the Loom video cold email pitch still works for any service under the sun. You just need to know how to make a good video and stay on top of your follow-ups so you set appointments and close deals. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. All the resources for this video are linked below with the Google Doc, and I'll throw in a guide, a Loom video guide down below that shows you how to do the video recording, sending the email, everything under the sun, all in the description of this video. All I ask is you drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And real quick, if you want to work with me or with ListKit or Client Ascension, I will write your cold email scripts on a consulting call, literally a 30-minute call where all I do is write you a 3-step sequence, map out your offer, get you a cold email script ready to go. That's in the description as well. And then ListKit's done for you cold email setup where we will build you a cold email campaign that allows you to reach out to 5, 10, or 15,000 people a month with a bounce rate of literally 1 or 0.4% or less. All those resources are down below. And then of course, Client Ascension, where we can show you how to supercharge your existing agency with cold email and AI workflows. That is an option as well. So my consulting, ListKit, Client Ascension, all designed to help you scale with cold outreach. Hopefully this was valuable and proof that the Loom video cold email pitch still works. Thanks for being here. Peace.